Meaning of Joe DiMaggio.
Joe DiMaggio.
Joe DiMaggio.
Joe DiMaggio.
Joe DiMaggio. Joe DiMaggio was an American professional baseball player who was widely considered one of the greatest players in the history of the sport. He played his entire 13-year career for the New York Yankees and won numerous awards and accolades, including 9 World Series championships. He was known for his exceptional skill as a hitter and his graceful style of play in center field. Off the field, he was also famous for his marriage to actress Marilyn Monroe. Today, his name is often used as a cultural reference to indicate excellence and achievement in the realm of sports.